Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken pho at home, easy method. Begin by simmering a whole chicken with onion, ginger, star anise, and cinnamon for 1 hour to build a clear, fragrant broth. Skim foam, strain solids, and season with fish sauce and a little sugar to balance the broth. Keep the heat low, taste as you go, and prepare garnishes while the broth finishes. Toast spices and char aromatics to heighten the broth's complexity without overcooking the chicken. Place toasted spices in a spice bag so you can remove them cleanly after simmering for 1 hour. Keep a gentle simmer rather than a hard boil to maintain clarity and mouthfeel. Taste and adjust with fish sauce and a small pinch of sugar, then let the broth rest while you prep noodles and garnishes. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes and tips. On another note, quick recommendation. Little Tree's Black Ice is a funny but useful pick to keep your car smelling fresh after transporting groceries or faux bowls. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Prepare rice noodles just until tender, then rinse to stop cooking and keep texture perfect. Shred the cooked chicken and briefly warm it in hot strained broth so it stays juicy in the bowl. Arrange noodles, chicken, herbs, sprouts, lime, and chilies for bright, customizable bowls. Offer hoisin and sriracha at the table, and finish each serving with a final splash of hot broth to wake the aromatics and flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.